In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in LibreOffice. If you're working in LibreOffice Writer and need to make an image bigger or smaller, there are two simple ways to do it. One method is quick and visual, using your mouse, and the other lets you enter exact measurements for more precise control. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that works best for your document. Start by opening your LibreOffice Writer file. Once your document is open, find the image you want to resize. The fastest way to resize an image is with your mouse. Click the image one time and you should see selection handles appear around it. These are the small markers around the edges and corners of the image that let you adjust its size. To resize it, click and hold one of the corner handles, then drag inward if you want to make the image smaller, or drag outward if you want to make it larger. Using a corner handle is important because it gives you better control over the overall shape of the image. Here's a helpful tip while doing this. Hold down the Shift key as you drag a corner handle. This locks the image's original aspect ratio, which helps prevent it from looking stretched or squished. If you want the image to keep its natural proportions, this is a good habit to use. If you need more precision, LibreOffice also allows you to type in the exact size you want. To do that, right-click the image and select Properties. This opens a pop-up window with more detailed settings for the image. In that window, go to the Position and Size tab from the left panel. Once you're there, look for the Size section. This is where you can manually enter the exact width and height you want for the image. Type in your preferred width and height values carefully. This method is especially useful if you're trying to match a specific layout, keep multiple images consistent, or prepare a document with exact formatting requirements. After entering the measurements, click OK to apply the changes. At that point, your image will be resized based on the values you entered. And that's it. Whether you use the mouse for quick adjustments or the Properties window for exact measurements, resizing an image in LibreOffice Writer is simple once you know where to look.